Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer project timelines from Smartsheet to Jira. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have access to both Smartsheet and Jira. Open the Smartsheet that contains your project timelines. Locate and review the specific timelines you wish to transfer. Export your Smartsheet data by selecting the File menu. Choose Download and then select Excel to export your sheet. Open the downloaded Excel file on your computer. Check the data format to ensure it includes all necessary columns such as task names, start dates, end dates, and durations. Next, log into your Jira account. In Jira, navigate to the project where you want to import the data. Create a new issue type if necessary to match the structure of your Smartsheet data. Return to your Excel file and prepare it for import by ensuring the column headers match the fields in Jira. Save the edited file in a CSV format to make it compatible for importing into Jira. In Jira, go to the Issues section and select Import Issues from CSV. Follow the prompts to upload your CSV file. Map the fields from your CSV to the appropriate Jira fields. Review the mapping to confirm that all columns align correctly. Start the import process and wait for it to complete. Once the import is finished, verify that all project timelines have transferred accurately. Check for any data discrepancies or missing information. If necessary, edit the imported issues directly in Jira to make adjustments. Finally, update any additional details specific to your project as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.